Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make body scrub for sensitive skin. So the things you'll be needing are, first of all, your onion. You can use any kind of onion, but this is the onion I prefer to use. But you can use any kind of onion. That's what I have actually. Then next one is your sugar. You need little quantity of sugar. Then your aloe vera. This is three bulb. I call it bulb. I don't know what it's also called. Bulbs of aloe vera that you will need it for the body scrub. And your oils. You need any kind of oils, but these are the ones I have: bio oil and papaya oil. Papaya oil. You can use any kind of oil you have. You can use coconut oil. You can use castor oil. Any kind of oil you have. You just need it to quality and the knife. So first of all, I'm going to add my aloe vera. See me slicing the aloe vera down into. Aloe vera can be very messy, very messy, but you know you have to be very careful while using the aloe vera because of the texture and the way it is, it's slimy and all that, so you have to be very careful. Okay, at this rate you scoop the aloe vera out, the aloe vera gel out of the skin. You skin it alive. I don't know. Okay, so this is the product. This is the aloe vera. I don't know, it really cannot be smooth. You can use your blender or your mixer to mix it to make it smooth. But this is how I did my own because no light to use a mixer. Then the next one is add my honey. I used a spoon of honey and small. A spoon of honey and small and extra. In this kind of video, your measurement doesn't really matter. So you mix it very well, You mix it to perfection. Not really to perfection, but just mix it. The honey, and remember, you can use any kind of honey. It doesn't have to be a fennel seed honey. You can use any kind of honey you have, as long as it is honey. And also, you can use any kind of aloe vera. If you have the gel, the processed one, if you have the water, you can use any kind of aloe vera. So mix it, and I try to break the.
The next thing is to add your oil, bio oil. I'm using a bio oil. You can use any kind of oil you have, any body oil you have. It could be coconut oil or castor oil or lavender oil, tea tree oil, mint oil, any single oil you have that you can use in your body. Just a teaspoon. I really did not fill my spoon, so you can just use a teaspoon. Then I added Then I used papaya oil. So during my mixing, I couldn't get a very smooth texture, but it's okay, it's fine. It's not nothing wrong. It can be used like that. If you want to get a smoother texture, you can use a mixer. But when you want to mix in your sugar, do not use a mixer. Then the next thing is to add sugar. So I added 3 spoons of sugar into my mixture. 3 spoons of sugar. Sugar is going to be the rough texture in your body scrub. Yes. Do not use salt. You can use brown sugar instead of the white sugar. Do not use salt. Do not apply salt to your skin if you have a very sensitive skin. Do not apply salt. It injures the skin. So this is my finished product. This is the finished product. This is what you want to use on your skin. It is 100% organic and very durable. It works perfectly well. It removes dead cells on your skin. So I'm scrubbing my skin with it. This mixture is good for acne skins that has acne. They have spots on your body. It scrubs out the dead cells from your skin. And don't forget to drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water. A lot of water.